All right, so today is very exciting. I got a new toy. I mean, it's a business item, but I love it. Anyway, we got the new Katie 8000 scale, aka the scale to have if you are a baker, a soaper, or anything where you need to use percentages in your weight. This is a very exciting day for me. So, this one does come with the AC adapter, but I got batteries just in case. And it looks like the standard stuff. We got the manual here. And then, okay, so that's the scale. Oh, interesting. It's got these little pegs on it. It's interesting. All right. I guess that fell out of there. All right, so this is the AC adapter, and this is what you need to plug this in. I guess when you buy these scales and stuff off eBay, the warranty is voided because it's supposed to have a 30-year warranty, and they don't usually come with these adapters. So keep that in mind if anyone's looking to buy one. I got this one off Make Your Own dot buzz. That's the one. Okay, and here's the scale. I knew this was going to be a short video, but you know. I'm super excited. So excited. Here we go. You know what? It's smaller than I thought it would be. I definitely thought it was going to be bigger. What are these? Oh, that's interesting. So, I guess what these are, okay, so it comes with this cover. I don't know if you can see it. It comes with this cover here that's permanently attached. But I guess this, and it's got a couple of these, can actually go over this, like this. Okay. And then I guess, well, nothing's plugged in right now, but I guess that's if you don't want to ruin it. That's considerate. So they gave me 1, 2, 4 of these extra plate covers. It's saying don't lift it up too high because it can affect the reading, but I think we're okay. Wow, that's really neat. Oh, there's a film on here also, so let me just check real quick. I really don't want to remove the film because that film actually protects everything, so I'd rather leave that on. And then I doubt that's going to affect anything when I do it, but it'll only protect it. If you want to take this off, it says open it all the way and slide to the right, but that's making me nervous, and I don't want to do that. But I guess these come off. This comes off if you want it to, but I don't want it to, so we're going to leave that alone. And then, let's put this together. So this one, you don't want to leave the plastic on this or it'll affect your measurements. I guess you could tear it out, but still, it's easier to clean like this. All right, look at that. That is beautiful. This one I was really excited about because when you have this kind of scale, you can put in a percentage and just like say you write my batch is 1 pound at 100%. And then when you get some kind of a recipe, you can say, oh, it's 20% olive oil, 5% castor, 10% palm, and then you can just type in percentages and weigh it by percentages. So this is exciting. Let me put my batteries in it. Okay, so, oh, I put it together too soon. Let's look at this. So back here, we have little switches and nozzles and knobs and stuff. So what is this? Okay, so you've got your noise button here. That's the noise button, and this is the light button, I believe. Oh, so it's backlit, and that's where you, whoops, that's where you plug the AC adapter. And I guess the batteries go in right there, which this doesn't come with batteries, but my husband had some. So I reached into his battery bag and got some out. Okay. It supposedly takes 3. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Now, I feel like for everyday soap making, I would have it plugged in. But for YouTube videos, I'd probably need the batteries.
Hey everybody, it's me, Jessie. I've been editing and I just wanted to let you know, now that I've used the scale a little bit, I never use the plug. Never, ever, ever use the AC adapter. I always use the batteries. And I think unless you have a designated spot for the scale, you probably won't use the plug either. It just kind of gets in the way, and I think the batteries are easier.
Plug this in. You want to plug that in before anything else. All right, so, oh, there it is.
All right, so I'm cutting the audio here because I got distracted playing with the scale and reading the manual and all that stuff. And it is a 3-year warranty, not a 30-year warranty. And the website did have a typo. It happens. Anyway, if you would like to get this scale cheaper than I got it, I have a link for you down in the description. You can get it from Amazon. I believe it's free shipping. It's like $45 or $48. It's super cheap, and it does come with the adapter. So I would do that if you want to buy it. And if you click that link, it really does help me out. I do get a percentage through the Amazon affiliate program. But, you know, that's neither here or there. You do you. Also, I waited till the end to say, if you are a subscriber, I appreciate you so much. You really help out the channel. Also, if you are new here and you like what you see, subscribe. I'd love to have you part of the Soapy family. It would be great. I'd love everybody. Also, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Or if you want to help us out but you don't want to buy anything, just leave a thumbs up. I love that too. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.